Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to add audio in HTML in a very simple way. As you can see at the right side in our HTML website, you can see we added a audio file over here. And also we added the tag over here, paragraph tag called jungle trip. So how are we going to add this audio into HTML website in a very simple way? Let's get started. So first we have to come over into our body tag, and into the body tag we need to place a new tag called audio tag, and into the audio tag we have to type source, and into the source file we have to add the name of the audio. So how are you going to do it? Very simple. You have to, I downloaded this audio from YouTube, so I will going to cut it from here to paste it into the HTML file that we created, and then we will open the Sublime text, and then here as you can see the jungle trip file has been added into the HTML folder, and from here I will going to copy the name from here. I am going to copy the name from here, and then I'll going for the index.html file, and then I'll going to add the source file over here like this. And into the type section I'll going to add audio, and then going to click slash and mp3 like this. After, if I just save it and if I just refresh it over here like this, as you can see there is nothing is showing over here. So basically the audio file has been added but it's not showing over here. So for that, what you can do, we can simply come over into the audio open tag, and from here we can simply type over here controls, and by clicking on controls or adding this controls attribute, if I now save it and click on the refresh button, as you can see now the audio has been added into our website. And if I just, as you can see the audio is now running. So I'm going to add some of customization from here. As we can see, I can add the autoplay, also I can add the loop, also I can add the muted, and then I can simply save it. And now I can simply save it, and now if I just refresh it, as you can see right now it's starting with the muted option, and it will be looped and autoplay after the completing the audio. If I just showing you, you can see it's started another time. As you can see that after completing 3 minutes of 29 seconds, it will automatically start at another time. So this is how we can simply add audio into HTML website, and I will going to mention a name from here. So I'm going to add a paragraph tag, and then I'm going to name it the song name called Jungle Trip. That's it. I'm going to save it right now, and I'm going to reload it, and as you can see that the jungle trip added this with this audio. So that's it. This is how we can simply add audio in HTML in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.